We Gap Instruments introducing the long angle clamp for our digital microscope. You can use this clamp for all our microscopes like 1200x, 4600x. For all the microscope, you can use this angle clamp and you can bring the microscope up, bottom easily, and you can use it for all the purposes. You can use this clamp for more than a feet also. Easily you can bring the sample nearer to the microscope for the larger view. So this is the clamp. You can use this clamp for most of the microscopes. Thank you.